Hi, I'm Mark Richmond from Chef Knives To Go. Today I'm going to show you another use for our Chef Knives To Go board and handle wax. This is the stuff, and it has the consistency of butter basically. Here's one that we use all the time, and we use this in addition to cutting boards, which I did a video on recently. We also treat handles with it in two different ways. So I'm going to give you an example. A lot of our knives will come with a handle like this. It's called a wah handle. The inexpensive ones are unfinished here. And they usually have a plastic thing called a ferrule up top. The less expensive ones usually will often have a sticker on here. This one has a brand, and basically all you need to do to treat the handle is take a rag and dip it into the board wax and then apply it onto the handle. And you can see it darkens it. There's two ingredients in this stuff. It's beeswax and mineral oil. And the mineral oil softens it up, and the beeswax helps seal the wood. So that it makes it look a lot nicer. And then when you go to wash the handle, it doesn't absorb water as quickly, so it'll make it last longer. So that's what you can do to treat your handle once you get it at home. The other thing we do here often, and if we catch it, is some of these handle makers, this is a Moritaka, and these guys will take the blade and they'll get the tang, which is the metal part that's inside, red hot, and then they force it into the handle cavity to set where they want it to go, and their smoke comes out and everything. And then they pull it out, put some glue pellets in, and then stick it back on there, and then they let it set up. The thing is, when they burn it in, there's usually a gap, small gap, right around the outside here. So we use this stuff again before we send them out. We'll often take some of this wax and we'll just stuff it into the hole here, like that. And that will give it a seal so that water won't penetrate into the handle and rust out the knife. Cleaning it up, you just take a rag and wipe it out. So it looks pretty transparent and no more hole. And you can take the rest of the wax and do the handle at the same time. You probably need to reapply this stuff as it dries out on the handle. You can probably do it maybe once every month or so. Just the handle will tell you when it needs it. It'll start looking dry. And that will make your handle last probably twice as long as it would normally. I'm Mark Richmond. Stay sharp.